Welcome to my channel, Learn with Teacher Ali. Hello children, our topic for today is about reading. And then after that, we are going to answer some questions that are related to our topic. If you are ready, let's get started. Short stories with questions. My pet, Joey. Joey is my pet dog. It is my best buddy. It has long brown ears. It is small but strong. We like to walk around the park. We like to play together. It is always so fun to be with my pet, Joey. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! What is the name of the pet? A. Buddy, B. Max, C. Chubby, or D. Charlie? The correct answer is C. Joey. How does it look like? A. It has short, black ears and is large. B. It has long brown ears and is small but strong. C. It has white fur and is big. D. It has short brown ears and is tiny. The correct answer is B. It has long brown ears and is small but strong. What do they like to do together? A. Read books. B. Watch TV. C. Walk around the park and play. Or D. Swim in the lake. The correct answer is C. Walk around the park and play. Ben and his hen. Ben has a hen. His hen is red. His hen sits in the basket. Oh, there is an egg in the basket. Pet hen, thank you for this egg. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! Who has a hen? A. Meg, B. Jack, C. Ben, or D. Tom? The correct answer is C. Ben. What is the color of the hen? A. Blue, B. Yellow, C. Red, or D. Green? The correct answer is C. Red. Where is the hen? A. In the coop, B. In the garden, C. In the basket, or D. On the tree? The correct answer is C. In the basket. What did Ben tell the hen? A. Go away, B. Thank you for this egg, C. Let's play, or D. You are not my pet? The correct answer is B. Thank you for this egg. My sister. My sister is 25 years old. She has long, wavy hair. She is very pretty. She works as a teacher. She is a good cook too. She loves to play the piano in her free time. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! How old is her sister? A. 20 years old, B. 25 years old, C. 30 years old, or D. 22 years old? The correct answer is B. 25 years old. How does she look like? A. She has short, curly hair. B. She has long, wavy hair and is very pretty. C. She has straight hair and is tall. Or D. She has short, wavy hair. The correct answer is D. She has long wavy hair and is very pretty. What does she do in her free time? A. Paints. B. Plays the piano. C. Reads books. D. Goes for a walk. The correct answer is B. Plays the piano. Good job, everyone! Thank you for watching! Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye!